Hi everyone, this is Hussein Ilhamani from Devenir Professionnel. In this video, I want to share with you an exciting idea that could potentially enhance your presence as a YouTuber. So in this video, you're gonna see how to build an awesome and professional website for your YouTube channel. So this kind of website can be viewed on all devices as you're watching. Also, you don't need to have any knowledge about web development. By the end of this video, you will be able to build an awesome and professional website for your YouTube channel. So the website normally can provide you a range of additional benefits. The first and the most important, it allows you to own your brand, because YouTube is not yours. YouTube is a place where if you abide the rules, you stay. Do something they don't like, then you're done. That's why it's very important to own your brand by creating your own place where you can publish content that's not allowed on YouTube. Here, for example, you can only publish videos, but on your website you can publish videos, contents, products, and anything that you want. That means that give you another opportunity of monetization. Also, our website it help you and it allow you to design your website as you want. So you have the freedom to customize the layout and to use the colors that you want. So all what you need now to build this kind of website, you need a domain name, web host, and this professional theme. Then follow this tutorial until the end and you will be able to create your own space where you can publish another way. And also this kind of website help you to build a deeper connection with your audience and visitors, because they can't contact you directly by filling some form as you're watching. Also you can contact them by email list that you build. As you see here, normally your audience can let you their email here, and you're now able to contact them and to send them what you want. Also you can create, for example, a membership for your super fans. So website, as I told you, can provide you a range of additional benefits that normally cannot and not allowed on your channel YouTube.
Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.
So to install WordPress on your website, you need first a domain name and web host. So under this video, I recommend you to choose this web hosting company. So for a English version, click on this link. So choose this one for example Premuim, but for if you have a big website, so you can choose this one, and already it's by the way it's most popular. So choose, for example, this one, add to cart. Here you can choose a period, so for example 1 year. Create your account, you can create by clicking on Google or adding your email. So now here choose the country. For my example it's Morocco, and you need if you have a coupon code, here you will find one. Just copy this and paste it here. As you see, so coupon is applied. Then add your card. You can pay with many ways, PayPal or Google Pay, or with your credit card, and click on submit secure payment, and then you will be redirected to your web host on Hostinger. To install WordPress on your website, you need now to set up your premium web hosting. Click on this button, then click on start now, skip this one, and click now on create new website. Select WordPress. So here you need to select the language of your website, add the administrator email and password. For the password, I will just write false password. Create on continue. If you need to any plugin here, you can select one, or you can skip this or continue. So in our case, we don't need any theme, so skip. I don't need a template. Skip. I will write a content. So here you need to claim for a domain name. So in my case, I will write this one, Agadir Traveling.com. Sorry, Agadir Traveling, and I will choose this one, this extension.com. Search. So this domain is available, Agadir Traveling. So I will click on this button here, continue. So this is in Morocco, personal. Click on next step. See here you can add your informations. Finish registration. So you need now to fill this place. So I will add some informations. Example, okay. Agadir. The number, I will choose a number. So then I finish registration. So you need to choose if you want to choose another location of the server. Click just here and select the server that you want. So for us, I will choose France. Click on finish setup. So now click on this button here, edit website. So as you see now, we can install our theme on this website, but the problem, we need to wait around 24 hours before that our domain name is available on internet. So click on here on this button to see control panel. So your the domain name is created, but it doesn't work. If I click now, as you see, now it's so fast as I think. I thought that he will take 24, but this is the first time that I get this way. So now your website is ready. So click now here on traveling/web to go to your admin, add the email address and the password to go to your dashboard on WordPress. So here you have two ways. So as you see, it's very easy to install WordPress on Hostinger. Let's now to install our theme. Click on Appearance, Add New, and open the file that you have downloaded from the link below. So this is the file. Click right with the right click and extract it. So open the folder and select this file, the call zip, and install it. You need now to activate the theme. Our theme now is installed, but we need to install some required plugins. Click on this button, check all those plugins, and click on install and apply. Click on this button because now we need to activate all those plugins. Select activate and apply. So now we need to install two others plugin, but don't worry, they are free. So if you get this page, go back to the dashboard and go back again to plugins, add new. So here write WordPress importer plugin. So choose this one, install it, and once the installation is finished, you need to activate the plugin. So we have to install another one. Click on plugins, add new. So here write WordPress widget importer and exporter. So install this one widget importer and exporter. Activate it. So now we need to install some dummy data. Click now on tools and import. So here run this one, run importer, select the folder that we have extracted last time. So click on this one, select dummy content and extract it. Open the folder and select demo data and select this file. Upload file and import. Don't forget to check this. Click on submit. So now click on appearance and select manual. So here you have the menu. So select this one, display location, primary menu, and click on save. Go again to the setting, reading, static page, and select home. Click on save changes. So again go back to the tools button and click now on this one widget importer and exporter. So click on this button and select the dummy content, but this one this time we need to select this one widget data. Select this file, click on OK and import it. So now we need to install the slide revolution demo. Click on now on the slider revolution. Click on no thanks. Manual import. Click to choose. Go again to the dummy content, revolution slider data, and select this one. Click on OK. So let's now to check the result. So as you see, it's very easy. So we can launch our website. So now let's to create some categories to add our video to this website. To add your first video, you need to create some categories to organize your website. So like in YouTube, we have some playlists. Here, as you see, for example, we have some to organize our videos into playlists. So to do this, go to your dashboard and click on videos categories. So in this place you can add as much as you want of categories. Let's now to create our first category. For example, I will create a categories about Morocco. Then I click on add new category. So it's parent category. Now I will add subcategories. For example, Moroccan food. This category should belong to Morocco food. I will add another one, Moroccan cookies, for example. So it should belong to Morocco. So as you see, it's very easy to create categories and parent category and subcategories. This way can help you to organize perfectly your website. Now we are going to add a video. Click now on add new. So now we need some informations to add our first video. You need the title, the body of your content, the URL, the video link URL, duration, and some other information. So if you take an example, here I will choose this one. So as you see, we have the title, the video, the body of the video. So I will just pass this, copy this, I'm sorry. So now let's now to paste this text. So for you can use this WYSIWYG to write a good body text for your video. You can add links. For example, if you want to add links, download, for example, just select this, click on it on this icon, then write add your URL. It's very easy. You can add playlists. You can add, for example, if you want to add some lists, it's very easy to use it, as you see. So here you can add really a great and a good body that can allow you to sell some affiliate links, to add more information that you can add on the video. For example, in YouTube, as you see, if I choose this video, as you see, in this place, so we don't have a greatly good space to add some informations. But if you're using a website, so you can generate more traffic, and also you can generate more money by using your website. Of course, if you're selling some products with affiliate link, or if you're offering some other services. So now add your title. So for example, here Moroccan I will add Moroccan tagine. So I need a video link URL. Go to your channel YouTube. So here it's just an example. For example, suppose that I want to embed this video. Click here in share, embedded, then copy this code. So go back to your dashboard and paste it here, but we don't need all those informations. All what we need is this place, this code between brackets. Copy it and delete all those things. This is all what I need. Don't forget to add the video duration. So for example, for our example, to enable the header, this is the header. Here you have the post info and data info. This is the post info, and here this is the data info. So you can enable or disable any of that information. For the video social, under the body we'll find this. Your user can share their video, this page, with their friends. So it's better to enable that thing. Also you can allow comments if you want, but don't forget to use a featured image. So in our example I will use, for example, this page. If you want, you can upload another picture. we don't finish it. Now I should this text normally it belongs to Moroccan cookies, Moroccan food, and also it belongs to the Moroccan. So for example, if I create a page which I will display all foods, all Moroccan, for example, cookies or foods, I will display them here. So now click on publish. So now let's to preview the changes. As you see, it's very easy to add your text, videos, and you can add as much as you want of information. So do follow this way to add all videos that you need. Now I'm going to show you how to display the videos that you have added to your website into pages. So to create pages, now you need first to go back again to categories, video categories, here to have an idea about your categories. So the categories that you have created, you can create some pages to display the pages that belong to those categories. Also, you have the right to, for example, to display 3 or 4 categories into one page. That's what we are going to say. Now click on pages, add new. So here add your title, for example, Moroccan food. Here I will enable my page header title. If I don't want to display this text, I can add another title text here. Then choose this one, don't choose default. So go now to this here you have a video page setting. So now we can display pages like this. We have grid with 2 columns, 3 or 4, grid with 2 columns and left sidebar, right sidebar. In our example, you can see this example here, grid with 2 columns, as you see, with 3 or with informations, as you see. So you have a lot of way to display your videos. So in this example, I will choose this one, grid with 2 column. I will display, for example, 14. So now here you need to write your categories. So in your dashboard, go to your dashboard, click on videos categories. So for example, I will display in our example, we have only for the food, we have only one page. I will display this one, Moroccan food. I will copy it and paste it here, comma. So I can also add another one. For example, I will add this one. Just copy it and paste it again. So you can add as much as you want of categories that you want to display in this page. So click on, but don't forget to choose the template. Choose this one, video page template, and click on publish. Let's now to preview the result. As you see here, I have Moroccan food with some informations. So I can also, if I want to change into 3 column, click on update, refresh the page. As you see, it's very easy to display videos into pages that you want. It doesn't take any just in quick 1 hour or 2 hours. You can create a beautiful and an awesome website to your channel YouTube, because this website can help you to generate more traffic or to sell other product. So please follow this way to add as much as you want of pages. So for me in this video I will just create one page to show you. So now you're able to create as much as you want of categories and to add the videos that you want. Also you are able to display them into pages. So now let's to custom our home page. So we need to custom the header to add our logo, or to edit this footer and to add some informations. So go to your dashboard. So here click on decal options. So in this page you can edit your home page. So now for the header, click on general setting. So you can add your logo here, just upload your image, or you can add a logo text. Also you can enable or disable the top bar. If you enable it, then you can add contact info. For example, you can add your address, email, or time duration. Then click on save changes. Now for the footer displays, I can change this text. Click on footer settings and change that text. You can add your text, or you can also add a logo. As you see, it's very easy to custom those two places. Normally the footer is displayed on all pages. So to edit this place, so now you need to go again to your dashboard, click on appearance and click on widgets. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So under we'll find this footer sidebar. So here you have about us, important links, get support, and you have contact us. So you can, for example, if you want just to edit this, click here, add your text and add some links to the social media that you want to display in this place. For important links, you can add as much as you want of links. You don't need to just write this, but you want it's better to add links that normally belongs to your services, some links that normally can help you to generate money or to generate something that's useful. So click again on the footer. So for important links, so it's very easy. As you see, it's just a text with links. So I can, for example, delete all this thing. I can create, for example, first link, click on this button, just select it and add your link. If you can add an external link or add a page. For example, if you have, as you see, your internal links, you can choose this one. If it's important, then we click on OK to add another one. For example, second, but for you don't write this first link, second link, but normally you have to write a good text that can attract the visitor to click on it. So do the same and add another external link, and don't forget to update. So as you see, this information, it's really easy to edit them, so you don't need a lot of great knowledge to edit this. The same way, delete this and create your list. For these informations, as you see here, you can add some of your to contact you, to allow the visitors to contact you by email, telephone, or to address. Don't forget to click on update, and it will display here. So this place or does widget will displayed on all pages that you have created. So now we need to custom our homepage. So to choose the right categories normally that should be displayed here or all those places. So we have first place, here you have the second, here third, fourth, and some others. So I will show you how to add other categories or to delete all some places in this page. Before creating homepage from scratch, it's better to edit the one that we have created, that you have on your demo, to understand better the concept of this plugin. So go to your dashboard, click on pages, and select home. So the structure of this page, we have here the slideshow, and here we have some categories that we are that is displayed into carousel, as you see, thumbnails. Here you have some contributors. So to add all those things into your page, so just in this place, click first on this button to understand, and click on this one, Web Redux. So here you have all the things that you need to create a professional website. Here you have the title, text, image, divider, video thumbnail. This is this one. This one I call it the video thumbnail. Here you have a video carousel. This one. And here you have a video list. You can add video list like this. You can also add your theme if you have a theme like this. So as you see, it's very easy. And here you have the button of collection button. So it's easy to add anything that you want to create to build a professional page. So you need just to work with this Web Redux. So as you see here, now we have our first slide show. The slider, click on this place. So we have your here we have our revolution slider. So if you want to create your slider from scratch, just click on this button here. Click on add new blank module, for example, and you can start to create your first slider. So if you don't know how to use this plugin, you can go to my channel YouTube, Devenir Professionnel. Here you will find this video, Slider Revolution, to create your a professional slider. So it's very easy. So in this video I will not talk about this. When, under the slideshow we have this one, carousel. So just click here. Here you have the Web Redux title. Click on this icon and you can edit your text. You can edit the text and click on save changes. Do the same for this Web Redux video carousel. Click in this place and you can add the name of your categories. For the name of your categories, you will find them here, videos categories. So you can add the categories that you want. Just copy it and add it. So you can enable some informations, for example counter, viewers, and feedback. And don't forget also to save changes. So you can do the same with all pieces here. So I imagine that you can do this by yourself. So it's not you're not stupid at until this point to show you this step by step. It's very easy to edit your page. So for the thumbnails, I can, for example, if I don't want to, you can change the name of categories. So for example, if you like this page, you can just change it and edit the name of categories. Suppose, for example, that you don't want to add this one, this slideshow of slider revolution. So you can do it like this. In this place, you can, for example, delete this one. So here, click on Redux and add the slider. For example, with the Web Redux video slider, then choose a name of categories. So I will choose this one because I have 8 video. I will add them here, as you see, appetizer, then save changes. Now I'm using now a video slider instead of slider revolution. So I will check. So as you see, so I changed this and changed slider revolution into Web Redux slider. So I displayed my category into a slider. So do the same. Go now under. Here you have, for example, your list. Click on this place. So animal planet, you can change it with what you want. You can also change with for icon name. You can go here on Google. Right here for icon, and you will find the name of icons that you need. If you want you have all icons here, you need just to copy and paste the name of category of icon here, and then it will display here. So do the same. So suppose, for example, that you don't want something. So suppose, for example, that I don't want displays. I don't want to display this. So here it's image. We have a button. Just to understand it, so you have so here under contributors, here you have image, Web Redux image. So if I click, so you can add as much as you want of image. You can add URL. So it's very useful normally to add an image here of an affiliate link, and when the user click on it, so it will be redirected to that affiliate page, and then you can generate money from your website. But if you don't want it, you need just to click on this place here, just click here and delete it, then click on update, and it will be deleted from your page. So now we need I will just talk a little bit about the menu here to show you how to add your videos. So I think that it's very easy to edit this page. If you want to create a page from scratch, so you just follow the steps. Click on pages, add new. So click on this icon, page builder. So here add a name, home, for example 5. But for you can add, because we want to create a home page, so you can add here the home and a number if you want. Click on save draft. Go back again to BigQuery page builder and click on this icon, backend editors. Click now here. So all what you need is this place now by Web Redux. So we need first our slider. Click on this and you need just to add the name of the categories that should be work as a slider. So in our example, I will choose I will go to the videos to choose one category. I will choose this one, trending. So here I will add this. Click now on Save Changes, Save as a draft, and Preview. So as you see, now we have our slider show, but we need to delete this. So now select this one and disable page header, and this one, page title. Click now on Save Draft, and it's now to refresh the page. So as you see, it's very easy. So now we have added our slideshow. Let's now to add other things. So you can follow the same way to add all the Web Redux features. Click on this icon, Web Redux. Now we need to add a title, like in our home. As you see here, trending videos. Add a title. Add your title. For me, I don't know the subject of your website, of your channel title. It's just an example. And click on Save. So please here, don't forget, we need to make a little bit of changes. Go to Raw Tape, click on this one, select Web Redux and select in grid. Now we need padding here, section default padding, so space 80, click Save. So don't forget in your text, don't forget to add an icon name in the website that I have shown you last time. So you will choose this icon, I will paste it here. So for you, choose a right icon that can reflect the subject. Click on Save Draft, and let's now to Preview. So as you see, now we have added our title, like in home page. So now we need to add this carousel. So to add the carousel, we need to do the same way. Click on this place. Here you have your carousel, this one, Web Redux video carousel. So we need to add a name of a categories. Go again to your dashboard, videos categories, and it's better to copy and to paste the right name of your categories that you want to display as carousel on your page. Click on Save Draft, and let us to preview the website. So as you see, it's very easy to work, so I will stop here so you can follow the steps to add as much as you want of the things that you need to display on your page by clicking just on this icon. Here you have all that features of Web Redux that you need. So this theme allows you to add two kinds of contents, videos and posts. So to add posts or to display them on your website, go to your dashboard, click on posts and categories, because you need to organize perfectly your posts into categories. So you can select all those categories, select all them and delete them. So for me, I will just select those two categories and I will delete them. So for you, you have to delete all those categories by selecting them and click select delete and click on apply. So to add new category, click on add the name, parent category and add new. If you want to add a subcategory of this one, add for example Moroccan cookies, select the parent category and add new. So as you see, it's very easy. So follow this way to add all categories that you need on your website. So now we need to create some posts. Add new. So for the post we need the title and some texts. So here I will add a title. So for example, just example, Moroccan tagine. So I need a text. So for the text I will just choose this one. So as you see, it's very easy. So you can add as much as you want of categories. So you can, for example, here add another heading if you want. My title, for example, title 1. Here you can add list or a small paragraph if you want. We'll just again choose this one. It's add my text. Here's just an example. You can add to list of information. You can add table. So for the list, for me it's so as you see, you can add to the image. So click now on browse all to see all kind of blogs that you can add to your website. So I add, for example, image. I can upload new one or select it from my library. So I will select this one. So as you see, it's very easy to create your page. So now we need now to select the category of this post. So here you have the list of your categories that you have created last time. So for example, it will be this post should belong to Moroccan food. Then I click on publish. So now I can see the result. So now I need a featured image. So for the featured image, you have to go here, click on this icon here, post. So now here you need to add featured image. So I will select this one and I click on update. So now if I refresh the page, here my featured image. So this featured image should be displayed here. As you see, this is Moroccan tagine. If I click now, see. So now we need to display our categories. Like for example, when I click on categories, I want to display them into 3 columns. So to do this, you need to create some pages. So go again to your dashboard, click on pages, click on add new. So now here you have your page. For example, I will give it our blog, our new blog, or here it's just an example. So you don't need to add anything here, just you have the right to change some page setting for page header or if you want to show the title. So choose this one and choose the full page, the number of the post that should be displayed on this page. And now you need to write the name of the categories that should be normally belongs to this page. So go to your dashboard again, just to understand which kind of categories that you should here display. Click on post and categories. So now here I will choose this one, marketing, comma. So follow this way to add all categories that you need. And click on publish. But you will get one small problem. I will check it. As you see, you have no result here. Why? Because you need to select on your template, you need to select this blog page template. Click on publish. We need now to refresh the page. As you see, now we have our posts. So you can also add sub menu here to your page, but we will see this next time. So but before we have now we will talk a little bit about this page that allowing to your audience or your customer to contact you via this form email. Your audience now can contact you directly from your website by filling this form, and you will receive a message. So to edit this page, go to your dashboard, click on pages, and select contact. So by the way, you need to delete all pages that doesn't have any sense on your page. So click now on contact. So here we have the structure, 2 columns, Google Map, form, and the call actions button. So click on this icon to edit, add your title. You can change this text here, but you cannot change the form. I will show you how to change it. But now let's to edit the page. So now we need to edit this action button. Click on this icon, add a title, some text, and your button and the link of your external link or internal link. And click on save change. And don't forget to click on update. If you don't want something here, just click on this icon, or if you want to add other elements, you can choose them here. It's very easy, just drop and drag. So now we need to edit this form if you want to add other field or to delete some field. So go to contact form. See here we have the number of that form that we have embedded on that page. Click on contact form 1. Your name, your email, subject, and message. So if you want to create a professional one and a complete contact form, so just on my web channel Devenir Professionnel, here you will find this tutorial. I will let you the link under this video, complete tutorial of contact form 7. But now we need just to edit it in this video. So let that form like this. Click on mail. So if you want to receive message, or the user will send you the message to the admin email, let it like this. If not, just write an email like this. Delete this and add your email here. Also you need to delete, you need to add your email, the email of your server. So you need just to create one on your server. It's very easy. So as I think now it's we have finished this tutorial. We have seen how to edit the home page, how to add videos, and how to create blog. So there is also one page that you need to edit. Sometimes when someone click on a false link, so it will be redirected to this page. So to edit it, just on your dashboard, click on decal option. So here, as you see, you can add title, subtitle, and the text, and then click. Don't forget to change each time you custom something on your website. So I hope that this video is useful for you. I think that you need to build a website for your channel YouTube, because this can help you to generate more traffic. Also that this will allow you to display other content that you cannot display on your channel channel YouTube. And the most important of a website is this can help us to create our brand and to enhance our credibility, because when you have a website, that means that other customer can contact you directly, and then you can generate money, generate traffic, and generate a lot of things that you cannot do on channel YouTube. So it's another opportunity of monetization. So hope to see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe on our channel and to let us a comment under this video. Thank you so much.